was transferred here from Florida in 2006 and bought this house, I needed a fridge. So the ex and I went to Sears in Norman and found this in the bent dent blue light corner of Sears with a huge discount. I think it had a couple of dents on it, but this is the original fridge that I bought with this house when I got it new in 2006. But it's really dirty back there. Check this out. So this is behind my refrigerator here in the kitchen. Decided I'd do some spring cleaning. Yeah, it's really dirty back here. Well, that was fun. Kind of redneck and stupid what I just did. So I took the blower and blew out all the coils and the crap that was underneath there. A lot of dust in the house now, but I got the ventilation system on and the windows and doors open, so it should settle down pretty good. Then I'll re-vacuum and clean everything. But yeah, that was caked up pretty good back there. So you got to do what you got to do, you know, instead of pulling it out in the garage and doing it. Just do some extra cleaning, I guess.